Welcome to the Gamma Brief. It is Wednesday, July 22nd, 6:45 a.m. Eastern. Let's jump right into the brief today. But before we do, standard disclaimer. Gamma Brief is market intelligence, not financial advice. All right, let's check out the data. ES futures are trading at 7,527. Yesterday, the call wall at 7,500 was breached, shifting the index structure. If the overnight gap holds, then dealers face an immediate test of their dampening capacity near the new ceiling. We are operating in a positive gamma regime today, underpinned by plus $1.4 billion in net GEX. We have a GEX flip proximity of just 40 points at 7,550. The lack of scheduled catalysts this morning does not make the environment secure. The vulnerability stems directly from the tight gap between the price and the flip, alongside VIX elevating to 17.45. Looking at the geometry, ES sits 28 points above the put wall at 7,500 and 22 points from the call wall at 7,550. If the gap fades, that floor buffer shrinks to just 9 points. The expected move band spans plus or minus 83 points, targeting 7,592 on the upside and 7,427 on the downside. This means a full expected move would easily breach either wall, testing the regime's limits. Overnight, a rebound in semiconductor and technology names drove sentiment, though it was opposed by rising yields and geopolitical friction in the Middle East, pushing Brent crude higher. Across assets, ES futures are down 0.24%, VIX is up 2.35%, and the 10-year yield is up 3 basis points. Sector leadership shows healthcare up 1.7% and technology up 1.2%, while basic materials lags at negative 0.4% and consumer defensive drops 0.5%. The primary risk event today is the 20-year bond auction at 1 p.m. Eastern. A weak auction that spikes the long end could easily fracture the narrow 22-point buffer to the call wall or force a rapid gap fill towards the put wall. The environment is consistent with defined risk mean reversion setups. Buying breakouts here is paying momentum prices for mean reversion outcomes. The thesis invalidates on a confirmed close above 7,550, which flips dealer hedging mechanics bullish. To summarize, positive gamma favors range compression, but the tight proximity to the flip level leaves the regime fragile. Watch the 1 p.m. bond auction for any volatility injection. New regime, new rules. Yesterday's playbook has expired. Levels set, buys defined. Good luck out there. And standard disclaimer remains. Gamma Brief and GEX Log are market intelligence, not financial advice. Options are high risk, manage your size, and trade your own plan.